Wood. Swedish Minister for International Cooperation, Olsson Fridh, says biogas is cheaper and environmental friendly compared to biomass. Now, Kenya plans to eradicate the use of dirty fuels by the year 2030 and has rolled out various community projects to increase the usage of clean cooking technologies.
The Swedish International Development Agency has distributed biogas units to more than 200 pastoralist households in arid and semi-arid areas in the country.
More opportunities in this land that is so rich if we learn to take care of it the right way. And I think you have shown us during the day and here that if you give people a chance, we are committed to save our planet and create opportunities for ourselves.
Today, the Minister of Environment they launched 60 units, and this has a lot of impact on the environment in terms of reducing distance that women walk to go fetch for firewood to be used for cooking and lighting.
The projects have been undertaken in Samburu and Marsabit counties and are being implemented by a consortium of organizations such as NRT, World Vision and the Stockholm Research Institute.
Nashukuru hata SIDA kwa sababu ya kuungana na NRT kwa sababu ile pesa ambayo inakuja kwa NRT inaweza kushughulikia wamama kwa amani.
Some of the projects include Ujuzi Manyatani, where young people from pastoralist communities are trained on various life skills to enable them offer services and earn a living.
It's targeting about 1,500 youth, boys and girls who had no opportunity to access this vocational training because they haven't gone to school. And so looking at giving them immediate skills like masonry, welding.
However, one of the most successful projects has been the Biogas Clean Cooking Initiative, which promotes clean energy technology. Alan Aoko, Channel 1 Business.